Today we'll be going over how to simply create these title animations for content creators or video editors in general that will save you lots of time in your Final Cut Pro workflow. Here's our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins. Some are free. Yes, some are free and some you have to pay for, but all in all, just go check the website out. I know these plugins will help you out in your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. So to get started for today's lesson, this will be a very quick tutorial. You will find these in your titles section, and you're gonna go to B3 YouTube titles pack once you download it. And just for example, there's 10 that comes in the title pack, all different animations. So we're just gonna work on a couple. So I'm just gonna drag the first one in. And as you can see, once you drag it in, the animation automatically is working. As you can see here in the inspector tab, you can change anything you want. So we can call this YouTube lesson. And we can just let's put subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we can change the color as well here, but I'm not gonna do that for this one. So as we play this back, you can put anything you want here as far as the text. You can create keyframes as well. I'm just gonna show you how you can change the color. So the color 1 text is the bold YouTube lesson, and you can change that to any color. This is a very powerful plugin that can help a lot and speed up a lot of time when it comes to video editing. So yeah, this is the title 1. Like I said, there's 9 or 10 different titles. We can just go to another one here. Let's go to try title 8. So let's remove this one. So as we go to title 8, we can do the same thing. Just drag and drop it, play over the animation. As far as timing, you can shorten it up. You can make it quicker. Just like that. I'm gonna change the text one more time. We can put like video. Guys, like the video, show the channel some support. And we can just leave template right there, and we're gonna change the color text. Let's go green. The second color text. Let's go that color. And voila. Guys, this also works once you have video footage, so it doesn't have to necessarily be a plain black background. So if I insert this footage right here, this video clip, I can just drag my title over it and play it back. And that's how you can implement these title animations within your videos. So this is a very useful plugin that can help you in your workflow. So I hope this video helped you out. Please be sure to visit the website if you are interested in any Final Cut Pro plugins. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you soon. All right, thank you. Bye.